How to check HDFC personal loan status? First of all, download the HDFC Assist app from the Play Store or App Store. Once installed, open the app and enter your registered mobile number linked to your loan account. Agree to the terms and enter the OTP sent to your phone to verify your number. Next, create a 6-digit PIN to secure your account. After logging in, you will see several options like personal loan, business loan, and track your loan. Tap on Track Your Loan. The app will automatically fetch your loan details associated with your mobile number. Then tap on the details. Here you can see the loan amount, outstanding balance, EMI amount, interest rate, and payment history. You can also check how many EMIs you have paid and how many are left, along with your repayment schedule. And that's it. Now you know how to check your HDFC personal loan status. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.